Welcome back to another episode in the 30-day video challenge where I post a minimum of one video per day in the month of September. By the way, I'm Davis. This is the Floppin' Crappie channel. And actually this morning I just filmed the catch and cook trout. Delicious breakfast, by the way. But I thought, you know what? I'm still hungry for some fish. So I'm in the middle of the woods right now. I know that. No, we're not going to a trout stream. There's actually a lake. I don't know if you can see it over here. It's completely surrounded by woods, 100% public, and I know a lot of times in the comments section people write, hey, why don't you bank fish for crappie? Well, crappie fishing on the bank is incredibly hard unless it's in the springtime, or if you can find some places where there's deeper water, so deeper drop-offs near points, maybe some bridge pilings, some dock pilings, marinas, and dams are probably the only places you can find during the summertime where these crappie will hang out. So today is actually not a catch and cook crappie, but a catch and cook bluegill and pumpkin seed. The lake I'm on, there's plenty of bluegill in it. Occasionally you catch a decent one, 8.5, 9-inch bluegill, which is solid fish, but the pumpkin seed are what I'm going after today specifically. If I catch some good bluegill, throw them in the cooler here, but pumpkin seed, there's some pretty good 9.5-inch pumpkin seed in here for some nice slabs of meat. So that is the goal of the video today. Catch some pumpkin seed or some big bluegills so we can do a catch and cook, actually a campfire. Catch and cook campfire. I feel like it's really dark. There we go. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was really dark in the woods apparently. It's not even that, I mean, it's pretty late in the morning. It's like 10:30 right now, so I don't know. We got a little bit of cloud cover going on. So let me just walk you through rod, reel, tackle setup. So I'm using a 7.5-foot casting rod. This is ACC Crappie Sticks 7.5-foot rod. I'm going to be using a 16th ounce jig and this red and chartreuse plastic to start out with. If I can't catch them with the plastic, I'm also going to throw a bobber on there. But if I can't catch them with this plastic, I do have some leaf worms that will definitely catch fish. Leaf worms always catch fish, so let's start walking through the woods. All right, we are to a different spot. Jeepers criminy. Almost broke a rod tip on that tree there, right behind me there. Sorry, Andy. Andy's the owner of ACC Crappie Sticks. I put these things to an absolute beating. Finally, now my face is whited out. I was in the woods and it just, there we go. Lake, hold on. Bingo. Even there, it's not too bad. So finally, got to the lake. It's a little kind of somewhat of a boat launch. You know what? I probably could get my big boat in this. I probably could do it. Looking at this thing. Oh, there's some minnows in the water. Got some minnows. Minnows. Bunch of them. Bunch of minnows. I should do a seine net video sometime. Comment below if you want me to do a seining net for minnows video, casting a seine net or dragging one or whatever. So we're gonna first try the plastic, like this plastic that I have rigged up here on the bobber. Throw it out, cast it around here, see if I can actually catch a bluegill or pumpkin seed. There are crappie in this lake, so there is a possibility we do catch a crappie. Fortunately, I don't think they're very big. So let's get casting. So I'm actually using a pencil bobber, but it's a foam and plastic one. And these are pretty good. I mean, they're fairly cheap. I think these were like $1 for a 2 or 3 pack. So if you're looking for an inexpensive one, that's actually pretty decent. Something like this. I'll link it below if you guys want. I'm gonna set about a foot and a half, something like that. See if we can, oh, I just saw a small bluegill come up and try to get it. See if we can get one. Oop. There's a fish. There we go. That might be a bass. Hopefully it's a good crappie. Oh, come on, get out of the weeds. Hopefully it's just, oh my gosh, he buried me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you? What are you? I think it's a bass. Yep. Wow, there's a lot of weeds in there. Don't do that. Getting sand all over the place here. Little bass. Well, first fish from shore there. Little bass. See you, buddy. This lake does have a bunch of bass in it. All right, well, let's put some live worms on here, and I know we'll definitely get a bite on these. Also, hopefully this bobber stays upright. That's always good. There's a fish. There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, buddy. Bluegill. That's a decent size one. That's a solid gill. That's like a 7.5 incher. He's going in the box. Whoop. He's got a bunch of crap on the camera, didn't he? Yeah, he did. Yeah, you did, buddy. Big guy. Number one. There he is. Oh, jeez. Come on, get out of there. Oh, uh-oh. I think a bass just hit it. Yep. Yep. I think that it just got eaten. I think a bass just grabbed it. Yeah. Yep, it did. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get both of them in. Oh, bass let it go. Or a bass just ate it. That just happened. You know what? Maybe later today, maybe later this afternoon, I do catch a bass on a live bluegill, because clearly that was a nice bass too. I don't think you could see it on the camera, but that was at least a 3.5, 4 pound fish. Come on. There he is. Can't tell if it's a good fish or it's just dragging through the weeds. This guy's about a 6-inch fish. Not really what I want. That first one was a good one. There he is. I can't tell, it's caught in the weeds. Okay, there we go. It's about a 7-inch fish. We'll keep him. Looks like they're out deep. These bigger ones are. Come on, there we go. 2 in the box. All right, back again for some lunchtime, little snack. Only caught the 2 bluegill, but hopefully it'll be enough. Here's what I got set up. I can't find aluminum foil, but you can also use aluminum foil. So I got a cast iron skillet, my cutting board, fillet knife. What is that? Cherry Coke. I got salt and pepper. I'm just going to use butter, salt and pepper. And so we got to build the fire. Gotta build the fire yet. So I'm going to do a time lapse of that in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now that I kind of got the fire burned down a little bit, it's a little smoky, but that's okay. Kind of got an area laid out now where I can put my frying pan, so let's go ahead and flay these 2 bluegills up. They're little snacks, not a lunch, just little snacks. So I'm going to go ahead and flay this guy up. Now that we got our fish all filleted up here, campfire's kind of burned down, just smoldering. There's some few flames in there. I leveled it out, so we're going to put the skillet on. I'm going to use vegetable oil and a little bit of salt and pepper. It's really not a whole lot. Pretty simple kind of set up for seasoning and stuff like that. So let's get to cooking. They're not huge fillets. They're not huge fillets, but they're done, flaky, white, and probably tastes pretty good. Bluegill's always a good treat. No battering, just a little bit of vegetable oil and salt and pepper. There we go. There we go. Fillets are cooked up, ready to be cooked up. Nice little snacks. Not huge fillets by any means, and there's only 2 of them. So just be careful of the bones. No bones in that one. I usually like batter, but I didn't have any because I came unprepared this weekend apparently. Forgot the Frank's Red Hot for the trout this morning. Forgot batter for this, so oh well, what are you gonna do? Appreciate you watching another 30-day challenge video. More to come, I'm pretty sure. I'm not really sure what order this is coming out in. So comment below if you want to see more catch and cooks, and then also write in the species that you want to see a catch and cook of. Be sure to like and share the video, and if you're not a subscriber, again, below the video, red subscribe button, click that, and be sure to click the bell. That bell will notify you every time I post one of these 30-day challenge videos. Pretty good. Alright, we'll see ya.